Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the most worth it walks to purchase. So you can purchase them first before purchasing everything. I did purchase everything already, and I think these are the most worth it and different walks that you can get. So the first one that I like is you can either buy the Diva or the Attitude Walk. I think they're very similar in a sense. So the Diva walk looks like this. There's like two hands on the hips. And then for the Attitude walk, there's one, but honestly, it's not a big difference. So I suggest choosing between the Diva or the Attitude walk. And then for like an edgy type of walk, there is this Peace walk. This one's super edgy, which I really like. I like the Peace walk so much, especially for like grungier styles. And then another different walk would be the Cutesy walk. This one's cute as well. But I think those three are the most worth it. Either like the Diva or the Attitude. And the Peace walk and the Cutesy walk, because they are very different in a sense. But yeah, just select whichever one you want. I'll show you the ones that I didn't show, which is the Elegant walk. This one's super cool as well. It's not that much special though, in my opinion. And then there's also, I keep pressing that, the Icy walk. I do quite like this one as well, but it like the way the hips are swaying, it is a little bit similar to the Diva and Attitude walk as well, even though the idle pose is very different. So yeah, that is it. What are your thoughts? Leave them in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!